Hi Green Beauty Babes! In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the first ever Green Beauty for Us subscription box. If you guys don't know about this box already, where have you been? This is a quarterly subscription box that was created by my friend, the one and only Keisha Adinkra. Yes, she did that. So this is not only, it's called Green Beauty for Us, but it is more of a, not only green beauty, but an entire holistic box that is curated specifically for people of color in mind. So now, you know how you guys are always saying, well, this doesn't work for my skin and this is too light. This company is not catering for me. This company is not working for me. You know how we say that? Because I say it sometimes. You know how you say that? Well, that's why Keisha created this box. The intention of this box is to help people of color find green beauty products, holistic wellness products that are specifically designed work with our melanated skin tone. I want to get this video out for you guys as soon as possible. So you should be watching this video Sunday. Well, I don't know when you're watching it, but I'm putting this video out Sunday because all boxes will be shipped tomorrow, which is Monday's date, and that is the 29th. If you order your boxes by Sunday, which is the 28th, your boxes will be shipped Monday the 29th. Be honest with you guys, you know, people say this a lot, but it's facts. Facts on facts on facts on facts. Boxes are going fast, quantities are limited. As of today, which is the 27th, there are less than 10 boxes left. So, when I put up this video, as I'm speaking to you right now, as I'm recording this video, there's still boxes, and I'm hoping that by the time this video goes out, there'll still be boxes left. But if not, you guys have to get ready and wait for the spring box because she's already started working on the spring box and it's gonna be awesome. So this is what the box looks like. Why am I so hyped? Because my friend is doing big things and I'm hyped for her. So, you know, pardon the extra hypeness in this video. I'm just really excited. I'm really happy. I'm really proud of my friend. Like, this is just, it's gonna be a real turn in this video because I cannot contain my excitement, so I'm just happy. I'm just, you know, let us proceed. Just like many other subscription boxes, it does come with a card. This is a two-side card. The first side of the card, which is the white side, goes into detail of exactly what you get in the box. And the other side, which is the orange side of the card, is the holistic side of the card. Gives you meditation tips and different things to help you live a more holistic lifestyle. So first things first, when you open the box, it is ooh, see, it's packed, y'all. It's packed. It's packed. Stuff is flying out. It's just, they're just ready to go. Packed with products. It has business cards up front, and the products are inside. The winter box is focused on your lips. So each box will have a theme, and the winter box focuses on your lips. So with that said, let's see what lip products we have inside. To start off with, we have a lip scrub from NaturalAnnieEssentials. And if you guys don't already, love NaturalAnnieEssentials. Love her to death. It has the NaturalAnnieEssential lip scrub, and the flavor that I received is coconut cream. Ooh. It smells like a pina colada. It also has from NaturalAnnieEssentials the lip balm, and this is the vanilla scent that I received. Definitely smells like vanilla, but it also smells like a little tinge of cocoa butter. Yeah. So like I said, these are from NaturalAnnieEssentials, and this is the lip scrub and lip balm combo. We have from NUS Beauty. Oh my gosh, NUS Beauty. I remember the first time I met Renee. She's the owner of NUS Beauty many years ago at a Kwanzaa event. I bought one of my first green beauty lip products from her, and it's this lipstick. Oh, I fell in love, and here we are again. From NUS Beauty, you guys will also receive either one vegan liquid lipstick, and that is in the shade Dauna, or you'll receive one vegan lip gloss in the shade Kali. Dauna is the Roman goddess of the hut. Energetic and fiercely independent, she values service and solitude. A protector of nature and caretaker to the vulnerable, that Una symbolizes the focus and clarity needed to accomplish any goal. Once she sets a target, she directs her energy and resources to unwavering pursuit. Unleash the goddess within. I am focused. The shade Kali. Kali is a Sanskrit word for time. Often perceived as destructive and violent, this Hindu goddess also embodies motherly love. Kali uses Shakti, the divine feminine energy, to destroy ego, attachments, and falsehood. Though the process may be painful, when Kali is finished, only eternal consciousness remains. Unleash the goddess within. I am powerful. Also, it's not only about beauty, but you gotta cleanse, you gotta do a holistic, you gotta cleanse your space, cleanse your mind, cleanse your body. You also be receiving some holistic products. A Palo Santo stick. If you guys are not familiar with Palo Santo, it's good at smoking out your house and clearing the air, clearing the energy, and it also has a very nice refreshing scent in your home. And you also receive some sage, which is a very powerful tool in actually clearing the energy also, get rid of negative vibes. So good. Yeah, sage is great at getting rid of negative vibes, negative energy. You just burn this in any space and it clears the energy for you. You can have negativity in your area, just burn some sage and just burn out the bad mind and just burn it out. And last but not least, you'll also receive a crystal. For this box, the crystal that you will be receiving is citrine. And citrine is considered the joyful stone. The crystal is pure and has not been treated by heat. Powered by the sun, this mineral does not hold on to negative energy. It dissipates it immediately. Packed with cleansing power, this stone can uplift you spiritually and assist you in manifesting desires by increasing your willpower. This is a great stone to have in a workspace. For example, my regular 9-to-5 day job is a stressful job. I keep a crystal like this at my office, at my work job. So this is a very powerful stone. It will definitely help you to focus your energy and just keep you in an uplifted mood. No matter what is going on around you, just focusing your energy and your thoughts and your intentions on a stone like this, citrine, will definitely help you dissipate all the negative vibes around you. Honorable mention, it does come with a sticker that says green GBFU, which stands for Green Beauty for Us. Yeah, that's all for the box. Like I said, you guys get excited. Support, support, support. If you're not going to be part of the movement, then stop complaining. To be honest, just stop complaining. If you want to be part of the movement, do it for the culture, then definitely support. Like I said, it is a quarterly subscription box. That is very important because it helps more with your wallet, so it's not every month, it's every 3 months. And that helps you actually to use the products, use it up, fall in love with it, and you get time before the next box comes. So it's not gonna be every month in your face. Every quarter, boop, a little surprise in the mailbox, boop. And there's also a discount if you sign up for the entire 4-box one shot. So check it out. Of course, I'm gonna leave the website information down below in the description box where you guys can check it out. Like I said, I don't want anyone coming for me in the comment section about the boxes are sold out. As of today, when I'm recording this video, let me confirm with Keisha. Let me confirm with her right now. Hold on. Hold on. Quick question. How many boxes do we have left?
There's 7 boxes left. Oh. So if you want to say less than 10, if you want to say 7, that's fine too.
Did you guys hear that? So as of today, when I'm recording it, 7 boxes, which is less than 10 obviously, but 7 boxes. So jump on it fast. You can't say I didn't warn you. And also stay tuned because for the NUS Beauty lipstick and lip gloss, I will be doing a separate video where I feature this lip gloss to show you guys how to get a look. This color might be a little bit intimidating for some of you guys, but you guys know I love me some bright colors. I'm not too scared of the color, so I'll be doing a look focused on this color to show you guys how I would wear it, just to give you guys some ideas for when you do get your box. But you can rock it your own way though. You can rock it however you want to. I'm just going to show you, give you a little bit of inspiration. And also for this color right here, this is Kali, Keisha will be doing a video centered on this color showing you how you can rock it as well, giving you guys inspiration on how to rock it. So those will be coming up within the week shortly. That's all, you guys. Make sure you support the box, support the movement, do it for the culture. Links will be below in the description bar. That is all for now. Thank you, and make sure you're enjoying your journey. Bye.